Hello from Green Power International. Today we are unboxing our latest portable solar power bank. The package is properly sealed and once opened, there is a detailed manual to guide you on how to use it. In the first section, you will find two chargers, one for when charging with electricity and the other is an H-shaped cable for when charging with a solar panel. The new and improved power bank uses a lithium battery of 1000 watt-hours and a voltage of 12. It also has fast charging technology. It is easy to carry and has a beautiful black design. They have different features such as 2 AC ports, 2 USB and 2 Type-C ports, an LED light, and the biggest even has wireless charging. We have sizes of 600 watts, 1200 watts, and 2200 watts. Contact us using the information on your screen below to get one.